Mastering Project Escalation Rules in Zistemo. In this section, we will guide you through setting up escalation rules to keep your projects on track and your team informed. Project escalation rules are automated notifications that alert specific team members when key conditions in a project are met, like your budget reaching a particular threshold. These alerts prompt timely action and keep everyone in the loop. To view or add escalation rules, go to Project Settings, Escalation Rules. Make sure the checkbox Enable Notifications is selected to activate notifications. To add a new rule, click on Add Notification. First, assign a user role. In the escalation form, enter the role or specific team member who should receive the notification. This can be all administrators, the respective project manager, and his substitute, or just one specific person, such as a team member, supervisor, or controller. Note, each team member or role needs a separate escalation notification. Second, set a budget threshold. Specify the budget percentage at which zistemo should send the notification. For instance, you might want alerts when the project reaches 90% of the budget. Third, schedule the notification. Choose how often and when notifications should be sent. You can select daily, set a specific time each day for the notification to be sent. Weekly, choose the day and time each week for the notification to be sent. Bi-weekly, select the day and time every 2 weeks for the notification to be sent. Monthly, decide if the notification should go out on the first or last day of the month or on the first Monday and set the specific time. Fourth, choose the notification channel. Decide where the notification will be sent. Options include email, Messenger, Slack, or Microsoft Teams if enabled. System bell in the upper right corner of your screen. Click Save to activate your escalation notification. That's all. If you need to notify more staff members or other user roles with the same or a different budget threshold, simply add an additional escalation notification. For more details, please refer to our knowledge base or contact customer support for assistance.